ASAMOAH GYAN believes that Bawumia Omokron no Obono, he wants to be part of it. It is his problem. If somebody also believes that John Mahama has built a university, has built a hospital, he wants to support the NDC, non footballer, he can also do it. So I don't have a problem with ASAMOAH GYAN. Who can ASAMOAH GYAN convince that Bawumia and truth for? ASAMOAH GYAN does not add anything to the MPP. ASAMOAH GYAN has been a politician for decades. So why should ASAMOAH GYAN be the topic of the day? He is no topic. He's not relevant in Ghana politics. ASAMOAH GYAN cannot even convince a drunk man. What can he do? The other guy said, "20 Ghana, I have to my MPP." He cannot intellectually sit down and convince somebody. No.
I did me personally, you know. What's I'm a manifesto committee. I remember youth and sports of Ghana. And you know, why I be a mamia? Me a sure said, "I can't tell me say I am a youth, you know." And you know, 7 December there. Me jamamo mo amasem 18 youth 7 December there me jamamo mo amasem 18 mo amasem
ene ASAMOAH GYAN we ne ho anim se o campaign ama Dr. Bawumia but see o kan asem bi asem na o kan no I say Ghana for brain no o madwen enkoso o se ono de Dr. Bawumia why bibia man personal na ogidi say the way why ade man personal no onum say oba obetimi aboa youth no and also kasa some of kan ya I've been thinking about this statement very well no say December 7th election there Ghana for and they me jai mamu mo amasem tio obi a o endorse obi na o ka say Ghana for 7th December there and they me jai mamu mo amasem. Let me say ni panankasa no like onyi ne ho anim say or endorse ni pano because say wo endorse obi say wo di obi ho adanse na say wo ka na ho asem say ye nto ba ma obi a was wetin ka say 2024 election there ye nto ma Dr. Bawumia ba o ka say 2024 there Ghana for me jai mamu mo amasem a then me to me you know I'm saying say what he is doing, you know, is just because he has been influenced by something. And I say, yeah, what Dr. Bawumia has done for him, you know, personally, you know, and it's na obedient public, kasa. And I say, yeah, invite him because I've done something for you. Because say genuinely, if you are doing, if I say, oh, genuinely, you say, oh, campaign mobile. I was able to miss you. I say, 7th December election there. Yeah, in two ma Dr. Bawumia. It's I say, or person or boy you to know. Then the youth can understand. But okay, say Ghana for election, 7th December election there. Mijamamu, Muamasema. That means that you yourself, you are not really convinced. You are not convinced Dr. Bawumia about between baby BMI. I was say you should be able to convince the youth well so that you can vote for Dr. Bawumia. But if you are saying say Ghana for Mijamamu or Muamasema there, that means to me, you know, I say you yourself, you are not convinced to convince me.
I did me personally, you know. What's I'm a manifesto committee. I remember youth and sports of Ghana. And you know, why I be a mamia? Me a sure said, I can't tell me say I am a youth, you know. And you know, 7th December there, me jamamo, mo amasem, and you know, youth 7th December there. Me jamamo mo amasem etino mo amasem
onim bebe se ko tie Kelvin Talor asem bia wo kan efa ASAMOAH GYAN o so ono de enema bebre o ha ASAMOAH GYAN wa ye fititi na no no ko cha say o ye campaign ma MPP na nyane but ono no why na just one ASAMOAH GYAN sam do say respecting all right why be ma Ghana and I was so abo Ghana for form but ono no say o see I Kelvin Talor say ASAMOAH GYAN ene so say oji Bawumia di ene MPP fo di na say ono we decide say opeso ko wi scan bi na say obebo Ghana for kono dia on dey mfa no but emum say Ghana ne bi we football na say celebrity bi ese wo yi na nema support Mahama mo bi ankasa egongo ti asema ne Kelvin Talor okai efa ASAMOAH GYAN.
ASAMOAH GYAN believes that Bawumia Omokron no Obono, he wants to be part of it. It is his problem. If somebody also believes that John Mahama has built a university, has built a hospital, he wants to support the NDC, non footballer, he can also do it. So I don't have a problem with ASAMOAH GYAN. Who can ASAMOAH GYAN convince that Bawumia and truth for? ASAMOAH GYAN does not add anything to the MPP. ASAMOAH GYAN has been a politician for decades. So why should ASAMOAH GYAN be the topic of the day? He is no topic. He's not relevant in Ghana politics. ASAMOAH GYAN cannot even convince a drunk man. What can he do? The other guy said G20 Ghana, I have to my MPP. He cannot intellectually sit down and convince somebody. No. Why should ASAMOAH GYAN be somebody? ASAMOAH GYAN, Ako, Bawumia campaign. We know Bawumia and speech ASAMOAH GYAN on an namo. On an namo. Why? Yantu Kroma de Kuva is ASAMOAH GYAN the baby jet airlines. Yantia. Number one issue need see ya dear ASAMOAH GYAN sika only try to first and a share turn on nam Ghana. We all know, but why should I hate ASAMOAH GYAN? Because ASAMOAH GYAN ne Bawumia and nam. ASAMOAH GYAN cannot convince a dog to vote for Bawumia. Ni input about sports. ASAMOAH GYAN ni input idea. So don't people, these things are not important. I respect him. I have cheered for ASAMOAH GYAN, and we have all enjoyed him, and he has destroyed us before. It's part of the game. I don't hate him. But ASAMOAH GYAN, when it comes to ASAMOAH GYAN and Bawumia and Nama, why should anyone be like, hey, ASAMOAH GYAN and Bawumia and Nama? ASAMOAH GYAN has been an MPP person. ASAMOAH GYAN time, on it, there are you confusion, politics. ASAMOAH GYAN, he has been an MPP person. On an leak 2010, 2014 information to the MPP for them to be, idea why you have seen there. So, ASAMOAH GYAN, and you're a sabotage tornado. We are here, we know, it's been a long way. ASAMOAH GYAN only mining oil. Do you know the kind of mining ASAMOAH GYAN oil in Ghana? Only MPP, only mining, illegal mining ASAMOAH GYAN oil. But it's not important to me, because ASAMOAH GYAN cannot even convince his own family to vote for the MPP. Let's get some things straight. There are no neutrals in Ghana politics.
But there was a say what the brain I watch me everyday TV, so at the same time our top light production. So now your first time there me pacho, but one day I share video and I subscribe and if you want to comment about our comment section ho. And they and come here say oh yeah celebrating now you and him and I say oh the one better political party be and I say acquaintance be but me Mrs. say obi all right say obadwane any political party because obi ato aba so far as I wo akwanya and I say oh the right to vote, you know, you have the right to support any political party, but I was won't say me supporting because of this reason. Be a way, be a bit your mind so I'll bet me a ball man. And I say we know vision about my Ghana. Don't just support any political party because of some influence, because Yamauska, and because of say you are being influenced by something. I getting it, and I will be a catcher. Okay, you yourself as a citizen, you know, I was raising up. I was unipa na talk about Abama no. I was but tie on this. I was unipa way. ASAMOAH can obey me. ASAMOAH cancel bay no oba obey me. And there are so many things I also take into consideration before I would do promote ebe voting. And the Ghana for you now, ASAMOAH GYAN say ASAMOAH baby jet. Is it, you know, also well into politics and because now they are more the Bawumia a push you gradually it's like right now you are entering into the politics. Ghana for Ebisau yenti ASAMOAH GYAN can't fast as me.
You don't do politics. Why are you here? Hello? Hello? Minka Chiana said, Minka, first of all, I would like to greet His Excellency, Mr. Vice President, the Bawumia, all the ministers, protocol observed, the youth. And you feel too much. First of all, I would like to thank the Vice President for what he has done. Me anka samasano me dream the wire a buma dream in tiasesu. Sometimes no me tiwa me say me pacho man we the ne ba na dream wa ofre me say member chair Youth and Sports Manifesto Committee. Sebi. My war sports moved for over 20 years. There are a lot of Nkrofoa omo handle sports omo nim anything about sports. Me jinama youth. Na Vice President Efrem, you know, me personally. And for the youth. Because Ebano Asamoah Gyan youth na Intino mpanyifo wo ha ombe kasa men kasa bebre. But the me pese me catch vice president ni say nyame ya adom na Ghana for decided say be vote amana. I'm emphasizing on the youth. I'm emphasizing on the youth because I represent the youth and I know with your visionary you will help the youth. Me, I'm not a politician, but so now I need to be I'm boy youth now. Me and Kasameba out. Ababekasa. Lastly, I would like to thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to chair the Youth and Sports Manifesto. You are a visionary man, and I pray to the Almighty God to give you long life and prosperity.